ภัสกร คณาดี
My name is Kamotip Sangwan. Today we going to make some dessert that is Crispy Rubies, one of the most famous desserts in Thailand.
Let's see the ingredients. As for the ingredients, we have snow lotus 500 gram, tapioca flours 140 gram, sugar 200 gram, coconut flesh 4 panda leaf, health boy 120 gram, water 200 gram, coconut milk 500 gram.
First, start with cut snow lotus into die square, then coat with hell blue boys evenly. Leave it for 20 minutes. Second, bring sugar, fresh water, and 3 panda leaves. Weld in the pot. Turn on medium light simmer until sugar dissolves. Turn off the light. Let sit for a moment.
Okay, next we will mix the snow lotus with the red hell blue boys. When it's good, we will pour the red water out from the basin. And then we will pour the flour into it. Okay, next we will mix the flour with every pieces of the snow lotus like this. Next, we will sieve the flour out through a sieve. And then we get this. Boil the water and put this into the pots. Stir a little bit, not to make it stick together. After we have wait until it rise up, it means it has been cooked. So now we will scoop it into the cold water.
Snow lotus that is soaking pour into sieve, then soaks in syrup to prevent sticking together. Last one. Scoop the ruby into the bowl. Add coconut milk. Coconut flesh that has been prepared. Add shaved ice to the flavor. Now, the crispy ruby is ready to eat.